Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy Apple gift card online. So if you want to buy an Apple gift card online, you can simply get it from most of these leading online marketplaces, like for example like Amazon. I'll just use Amazon since it's pretty common. So in Amazon, if you go to Amazon, and then what you can do, just search for Apple gift card. You search for Apple gift card, and then you'll be able to see the Apple gift cards option here. So what you can do, you can simply select one with the value that best suits you. So just click on it, and then all you have to do here is simply make the purchase like how you make any purchases on Amazon. So the same thing applies for gift card as well on Apple gift card. So click on buy now, and then once you click on buy now, and then you just need to proceed to the checkout. And then here, so you're going to just type in your details and then your payment method. How do you want to pay these? So choose a payment method and everything, and then click on use this payment method and complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy to purchase one online. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.